Hey, what's up guys? So today we are here to look at the Koorui 22-inch 1080p monitor. So let's get started. So this is how the Amazon package arrives. It's very solid packaging. It's another box inside, so there is some description on top of the box. So 22-inch, the model number is 22N1. Some detailing on the packaging. You see the regulatory symbols on it. And the description of the brightness and everything, and yeah, the standard HDMI and stuff. So yeah, let's jump into it. So these are some instructions which are very useful on how to put the rotating stand of it and the base, how to attach it, and that's how you can set up the monitor. So it's a decent thermocol packaging to safeguard the monitor and the screen, some basic user manual, yeah, again some safety labels. This is the base. It's a standard very good build, I would say. And this is the another rotating base. Basically that's what makes you stand the monitor. Standard HDMI cable and a DC input power supply. And this is very good, like standard DC input, I would say. The cable is also good. Now here comes the display, the 22-inch. I would say the packaging is decent to protect the display screen and everything, and it's very light. I would say, like, to hold it in the hands. Yeah, there you go. It's very lightweight, I would say. Like, I can still hold it in one single hand, and it's pretty small to the size, like a 22-inch, which is good. Some branding Koorui on top of it, and yeah, and the ports are the HDMI power supply. That's the HDMI. There's the VGA and the power supply, and there are some buttons to plus and minus the inputs and menu and power on and off. So let's start putting all the pieces together. This is the rotating base, like the stand of it. So yeah, you hear a click sound onto it when you put it down, and just make sure it's firmly inside of it. Like, see, I can hold it with the support of just the base, like the rotating stand. Okay, and then we attach the base to it, and even this is also a click. Like, that's how you can confirm if it is firmly fixed or not. And yeah, like, you just place it on top of that, and then boom, it just clicks onto it. So yeah, it's all fixed. So it's a decent monitor, decent size, I would say. The bezels are very little, which is very great. Let's power it up and, like, get it a chance. So even for the look wise, it looks like a 4K monitor, which are nowadays like a standard for any work from home guy. So I'm plugging in the HDMI and the DC power input, and then let's boot it up and then connect a Windows PC. That's a decent start time, like it's not taking too long. Let's connect it to the laptop and just play a video to see how it goes. So it did not take much time. I'm just duplicating the screen. The screen quality and the video and the refresh rate is also very good. That's 144 hertz. You can play games on it, you can watch videos. So yeah, overall it's a very good and very decent picture quality. Very great for the price. If you're looking something for about $100 or sub $100, then this would be a great pick. Again, this is a great choice from Amazon, Koorui. Thank you.